welcome to the final video of our topic, Human Digestive System. In this video, we are going to learn about the role of small and large intestine. If you wish to see the animated video and the explanation directly, you can drag the cursor to around 4 minutes. After passing through mouth, esophagus and stomach, the semi-digested food enters in the small intestine. Small intestine is a long tube which is the site of complete digestion of food. Also, it is responsible for absorption of nutrients and addition of nutrients into bloodstreams. The small intestine is the largest part of the digestive system. Its length is around 6.5 meters. Then why it is called small? It is because of its very small diameter. Its diameter is only 2.5 centimeters. Small intestine is divided into three parts: duodenum, jejunum and ileum. The small intestine receives the secretion of two glands, liver and pancreas. Liver secretes bile juice. Bile is a greenish yellow liquid made in liver and stored in gallbladder. Bile makes the acidic food coming from the stomach basic or alkaline. Alkaline is nothing but base which is soluble in water. As you already know, stomach requires acidic medium to convert pepsinogen into pepsin. But pancreatic enzymes cannot act in acidic pH. They require basic pH. This conversion of acidic pH into basic pH is done by bile juice. Bile also breaks the fat in small molecules. Pancreas secretes pancreatic juice which contain enzymes like pancreatic amylase for breaking starch into simpler carbohydrate like glucose, trypsin enzyme for breaking down of proteins into simpler amino acids, and lipase enzyme for breaking fat into fatty acids and glycerol. Absorption. The inner surface of small intestine has numerous finger-like projection called villi, which increases the surface area for rapid absorption of digested food. The villi contains thin blood capillaries connected with it. It directly adds the digested food into the blood. This process is known as assimilation. The addition of digested food in the blood is called assimilation. Now, the unabsorbed food is sent to the large intestine, where more villi absorbs the extra water from the material. The rest of the material is removed from the body via anus. Let us visualize what we learned yet. After being in the stomach to 3 to 4 hours, the chyme now moves in the first part of our small intestine, duodenum. It receives the secretion of liver and pancreas in the duodenum and the enzymes start their action in the duodenum. The lipase enzymes start digesting the fat and breaking into fatty acids and glycerols. The trypsin enzyme breaks the protein into simpler amino acids, and the pancreatic amylase breaks the carbohydrate into simpler molecules like glucose. Now, we move to jejunum and ileum. In this portion, the absorption of food takes place. The villi present on the walls of the small intestine absorbs the digested food. The villi increases the surface area of absorption. Also, through the capillaries, it assimilates the digested food into it. Now the full digestion of the food is completed and it is already absorbed and assimilated into the blood. Now the remaining part, the remaining unabsorbed part like fiber and dead cells is removed from the body with the help of large intestine. The large intestine absorbs the extra water present in the unabsorbed food, unwanted food, and makes what we call as the stool, the feces. And for temporarily this stool gets stored in the rectum and get eliminated from the body through the anus. In this way, the digestion of our food and the elimination of the unwanted food particle is done.